May is self-care month here at Sparkle and Grow, and I'm excited to share with you guys today one of my absolute favorite monthly subscription boxes made for just that. Hey friends, welcome back to Sparkle and Grow. My name is Jamie Wilkinson. If you are new to this channel, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button. This month we have been talking about self-care, and I am so excited to share with you guys one of my absolute favorite monthly subscription boxes. I've tried a lot of subscription boxes, and I have very few that I call my favorite, and this is absolutely one of my hands down favorites. It is amazing if you are looking for a little bit of self-care every single month. You can order one at a time, you can order every other month, there's different sizes of boxes that you can choose from. This box, seriously, when it comes in the mail, when I open that mailbox, the smell is amazing. If you love essential oils and just like natural, relaxing, like things for the bath. This time I'm recording from the bathtub at our beach house. I just thought it was appropriate since we are doing the bath blessings box. So let's take a look at what is inside. So the box itself here is so dang cute. I love their logo. Doesn't it just make you want to sit in the bubble bath? All right, so let's open it up so I can show you exactly what's inside. Look how beautiful the packaging always is. It always comes so beautifully packaged. And there's a theme, like mini boxes each month. So the box that I am showing you this month, let's see. The monthly recipe. So it does give you like a fun recipe too. Silky self-care soak. So it'll teach you a recipe. Epsom and Himalayan salts, lavender buds, rose petals, some chamomile and sweet orange oil. So it talks about essential oils here. So you'll not only get the box, but you'll also get some recipes. You're gonna get a little card saying exactly what's in the box. Oh, soft, supple springtime is this theme. So I like that a lot. And we'll kind of go over each of the items that are in the box as we go. And then this blessing, you pick one for each day. Okay, cool. So it gives you some self-care tips here as well. If you're looking for some ideas or ways to relax, that way you can really give yourself that self-love that you need in order to make sure you're on top of your game in order to help other people, because you know you can't take care of other people until you take care of yourself. So check out some of the things on this list. All right, let's see what's inside all the fun. Oh my goodness. So it always usually comes with some sort of like bath bomb. Oh, this is like a bath truffle, you guys. A Natural Desires Jasmine Crush Bath Truffle. Truffle. So crumble under your running bath water. So it looks like it kind of is like, you know how bath bombs always are so big and you got to try to break them up to use them the best as possible. Well, this is nice because it's a truffle, so it's really the perfect size for your bath. Ooh, oh my goodness, look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, this sachet is gorgeous. I am going to refer back to this to kind of read more about this one. Okay, the salt sachet. So this is a glorious combination of sea salt, pink Himalayan salt, essential oils, and a touch of florals. The sachet can be placed in the tub to seep like a tea bag, sprinkled in your bath water, or used in the shower. To use in the shower, simply tie the faucet and let the steam interact. That's really cool because a lot of people are looking for things for the shower now because not everybody has a bathtub, but you can still get all of the relaxing benefits of essential oils from one of these sachets. So that is wonderful. Okay, what else do we have? Ooh, Ooh, oh my gosh, I love grapefruit and ginger. They just spoke my language. This is a cream body wash. So this is funny about grapefruit. I always like grapefruit because I read some study, I don't know, about scents and what they made people feel, and everybody who smelled grapefruit made people think that somebody was younger. So I was always like, ooh, I get to lick. People will think I'm younger if I have grapefruit, but ginger I just love anyways. All right, let's see what else is in here. You guys, this is a lot of good stuff. Ooh, this feels, oh my gosh, this feels nice. Let's see, this is St. Joe and Essential Soaps. An Epsom salt cake. What? Oh my gosh, Epsom salt, if you don't know, is so good for your muscles and relaxation in the tub. If you are somebody who has a lot of tight muscles, Epsom salt is amazing. So drop in tub of water, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So this one is Silent Night Scent, which it doesn't say the exact essential oils, but I'm gonna guess like a combination of maybe lavenders and chamomile. Things like that are usually have to do with relaxing and sleep time. Oh my gosh, it keeps going, you guys. All right, Moni's Nourishing Body Oil, Tea Tree and Jasmine. I love tea tree because it is very cleansing. My kids, you know, I always put tea tree oil on their hair to keep them from getting like lice at school and stuff. Lightweight, plant-based, firming and soothing hydration. Ooh, firming body oil. You know, us moms all need a little firming body oil, and Jasmine just smells so pretty. So I'm really excited to try some firming body oil. Handmade small batches with only therapeutic grade food grade ingredients. I like that a lot. All right, soaps. Oh my goodness. It's like Christmas, you guys. All right, Lang Apricot Orange. Oh my goodness. I just want to smell this right now. Ooh, oh my gosh, I just smelled it. This smells amazing, you guys. Oh my gosh, Lang Lang is a really popular essential oil for just like lifting spirits, and so is orange. Ooh, it has coconut oil in it. Oh, an apricot seed. Ooh, I am excited to use this soap, you guys. Like when you get in the bath every day and you just have an explosion of uplifting smells, your month is gonna be amazing, you guys. All right, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. There's still more. It's still going, you guys. All right. Ooh, what are these little cakes? Ooh, these are the shower steamers. See, I told you guys, shower steamers. Lavender, orange, peppermint, and lemongrass. Oh my goodness, I love lemongrass. Is probably my favorite in there, but I love all of these scents. Oh, peppermint is supposed to help you feel awake. All right, one last thing, I think. Is that all of it? I think that's the end. Silky Springtime, Yippee & Co. So let's see. Oh, this is like a bath bomb too, because it has that sodium bicarbonate and citric acid in it. Oh, it also has a clay in it. So an almond oil, an essential oil, rose petals. Rose is so good for your skin because it is naturally the same pH as your skin. And so it is so good for helping with balance in your skin. That is a lot of goodies, you guys. Look at how much comes in this box every month. You guys, this is an amazing box of goodies, and there's no way that you will not feel good using all of this throughout the month. This has been seriously the most uplifting self-care box ever. I love all the smells, and it's all just so beautiful. I know so much of it is handmade, so I feel like I'm supporting like moms and people that work at home, which you know is close to my heart. And so I have actually partnered with Bath Blessings Box. I am so excited, and I am able to get all of you guys $10 off your very first box, you guys. So I will put a link down in the comment that you can use in order to save that $10 on your very first box. So if you are trying to get in a little bit more self-care, a little bit more relaxation, something to really like smooth your muscles, and some nice essential oils to help uplift your spirit, I cannot recommend this box enough. This is hands down my absolute favorite self-care box. I recommend them like crazy. It is so relaxing and so beautiful. So thank you guys so much. If you enjoy watching unboxing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next self-care video. It is self-care month all May, so make sure you're subscribed. Leave any comments below if there are any self-care topics that you've been dying to dive into, so that I know that that is a topic that you're interested in hearing more about. We're going to be talking a lot about work-life balance, just little hacks on how to help your day and brighten your energy, things like that, and just having a great spirit so that you can be a boss and move forward and just really have control and happiness in your life and your day. So thank you guys again for watching. Check out Bath Blessings. The link is in the comment to save that $10, and I will see you soon in the next video. Ta-ta!